Fikile Mbalula ke ongu-Secretary General we-ANC bede khuluma ke eMpumalanga namhlanje nempeleni ke uveza ukuthi ke yena ke uyilast number ye-ANC uthi inkinga akasabi usho kanje ngesikhathi ke i-address lapha ethi kunama branch ke noma kunobuholi noma kunabantu abakade befisa ukuthi ke bampuwe kodwa uthi ke ngeke balunga ngoba yena ungu-Secretary General we-party kufuzeka ayenqo emlilweni engawusabi uthi ke he is the last number ka-ANC.
For me in the Youth League, because some people are disgruntled about some regional conference in Ehlanzeni that took place of the ANC, and some members here, I'm told, were contesting there, and I saw them. But the conference is gone now of Ehlanzeni. So I had a big plot for me here that was planned, that I'm going to be attacked by booing and all of that. But I went straight into it, like fire coming. Because if I don't go to the fire, nobody will come. This is the last number. So if you are in the police, you understand, you send the task force. That is the last number. Nobody will come. I'm the last number when it comes to anarchy, discipline in the ANC. It's not for Mbalula. It's for what is expected. So I had to come head on to it. Because if the youth responded positively to that anarchy, I will ask Colin what's happening. And I saw Colin when I was seated with him calling the chairperson of Mpumalanga about, something is going to happen to you. It must happen. He must account for that. And that report must come. It's not a threat. It's discipline. It must come. Why will you invite the ANC to the Youth League event and plot to disrupt the SG of the ANC? I didn't come here for myself. This is not my wedding. I was married 20 years ago. This is the ANC Youth League event. I'm here to deliver a message, not my message, of the ANC to the youth of the ANC.
I think guys will agree with me ukuthi ngampela ANC is run by Umbax, and yes bathi vele ANC noma engine party kuba ke uSecretary General yes is proving that Mbalula ukuthi ke impela in control of ANC.